specialist, Mark Zuniga. Love it. Si Mark Zuniga, serving. Wow, nice serve. Kuchinko, not so perfect receive. Okay. Wow, salute to Emil. Emil as a setter, we'll see. Wow. Okay, Pope to Alfonso. Is she gonna make it? Of course not. I saw the intention. It was good, but it wasn't enough, Nina. Zuniga service. Wow, what a dive from Poppet. Emil, okay, to Russell Pile. Wow, long shot. Grabe. Bulacan represent.
Oo nga, no?
Yes, taga Bulacan. Tubong Bulacan. Lasang Bulacan. Gawin sumali ka ba? Ano ba yan? Asker. Okay. Score. Score si Gail.
Grabe pati.
Okay, service.
Hanggang 15 lang.
Zuniga. Nice one. Zuniga. Zuniga. Wow, what a serve. Targeting Poppet. Wow. Eman to Poppet. Okay. Outside. Kind of like impressive, but okay.
Ba't may comment?
Service, Zuniga. Wow, nice target. Eman to Alfonso. Oh, chance ball. Salute to Emil. Salute, are you gonna make it? Wow. Poppet was there, but Poppet's hands were like short. Too short for volleyball.
Are you?
Zuniga, service. Outside. Outside, I'm here. I'm here. At saka hindi rin pantay yung line. Hindi din yung line but it's okay. There's always a room for improvement. Poppet service. Wow, targeting Pile. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow! What a fake. It was Emil's fault. Kaya sinasabi niya sa akin. Service, anong score? 4 to sino 4 sila? Okay, Poppet service. Oh wow! Too long, super out. Super out. Next service. Si Zuniga ate is her specialist.
Forever? Siya ba lagi?
Yes. Hindi ko alam sa inyo, ano bang setup nyo?
Pwede siya lagi.
Suggestion lang.
Suggestion lang. Ayan. Para masabi ko yung apelido niya, Zuniga service. Sayang naman. It's okay, Zuniga.
Kahit allergic ako sa mga.
Nice one.
Gusto mo ko eh.
Okay, Eman, service. Wow.
Nazuka.
Okay. Wow, nice receive, nice up. Wow, pili to Emil. Wow. Inside. So who's telling the truth? Eman or Salud? Ay, Poppet or Salud? Sige, outside na lang. Kailangan nila ng score eh.
Oh my God.
Ganun na lang.
Outside ba? Oo, para ticket.
Pa-line. Well, ang hirap mag-line kasi 3 lang din kami. Ang dami ko pang chika dito. Outside. Na-verify ng trans. ng transformer. Grabe kayo kay Randy. Babae ka pero pangalan mo Randy. Anyway, Pile! Wow, what a chase. Salud over. Easy over. Poppet. Okay. To Alfonso. Wow, coming from the outside. Okay. Wow, so fast. Okay. What a rally. It's a long rally alert to Poppet. Okay. To set. Salud sa isto. I know, 4. Let's go. Boom. Whoa! Wow, what a play. Super basic. Zuniga said, service na naman. It's okay, Zuniga. Kung apelido ko Zuniga, ang ganda.
Ay, may line na.
Oh, may line. Oh, what a block! Oh, wow. What a flex. Grabe yung pag-flex mo dun, sis.
Mali yung black.
Uy, thank you sa linesman natin. Like, literally, nilalagyan niya ng lime. That's Rafael. Rafael Olfindo. 092 Charles. Okay. Ay! Wow, nice receive, Pile. Okay, salute. Okay.
TL ano,
service
di ka
na
napagod
naman.
kanina?
Service na naman ni Zuniga.
Di napagod yarn.
Wow, nice service. Inside. Nice service.
Nagalaw na yung linya. Sa anong judgment mo doon, Jaco? Lugo pa lang yung linya.
Dead ball. Because may inaayos yung technical team. One-man team lang yung lineman lang. Ay, lineman. Yes, sorry. Sorry for the corrector. Dead ball. Gumalaw yung line eh. Nakikipag-contest. Kami ang referee.
Honestly,
Atin ko siya. Oh. Referee's decision
Honesty
is
is the
not
best
final
referee.
yet. Zuniga service. Okay, nice one. Inside? Outside talaga. Sorry, Zuniga.
Talakan pala.
Tapos na kaya kapag ganun yung isa, mag-service ka. Hindi okay.
pero pwede mag, stop.
Pwede naman. It's up to the team. Inyon, service. Booch. Oh, what a power. Okay. Wow. Inside! Wow! Nina was there but wasn't able to get the ball. Sayang naman.
Score. 8.
Score daw. Are you guys paying attention to the game? Okay. Ay, kinulang yung tali. Pero salamat sa effort at least. Mabakot na tayo.
Yung mga tali sa shorts, pagtanggal.
Ay, G!
Tali sa
IG.
Yung mga tali sa shorts, pakialis. Oh, Zuniga. Service. Zublak. Wow. Nice one. Oh, wow! Inside! The ball. It's always the ball.
8-7.
8-7. Okay.
Dikit ang laban.
Super dikit. Sobrang lakas eh.
Sino
Eman, service. Booch. Wow. Oh, bigay sa'yo. Balik. Wow. Nice one. Okay, chill. Wow! What a save by Emil! Oh, sayang naman. Siyempre, magpapadive kunwari, para kunwari may effort. But it's okay. It's okay. I know it's part of the game.
Emil, kita dito yon, kita.
Yes, there is a video. Okay. Kuchinko, service. Wow. Booch. Wow. Pila set. Pinaling dun pero hindi pumaling. Ala! Ayaw mag-dive. Natatakot mabash. But it's okay. Zuniga, service. Wow, nice receive. Popet to Eman. They need a point. Wow. Emil, let's go. Wow, what is that? It's good, it's good. Damn, nice one. Okay, to Alfonso. But Popet was... Ah! That is a mortal sin sa volleyball to not sungkit. Kasi someone's gonna be there sa likod mo eh.
Sino may kasalanan?
Emil, that's your fault. Yours.
Who you're wrong?
Alfonso service. No time for discussion.
Baka may ilaw naman dito mamaya.
Wala. Ay, meron yan. Oy, pagod.
So pwede na parang bid volleyball
Zuniga. Aabot yan. Yung time zone dito pang US, umaga pa rin naman dilim.
Oh, tangin.
Okay. Alfonso, lalalala. I remember playing with Popet, kapag nag-shout na siya ng ganon, hindi niya na kayang habulin. Totoo nga, di ba?
Ama, wala namang mali doon.
Totoo yun. Okay, Zuniga. Grabe, target mo lagi si Popet. Oh, sino mag-over? Wow! Okay. Amiel to salud. Boobs. Wow!
Grabe ka naman, TL!
Galing pa yan sa laro.
Grabe si TL. Galing pa ng team building activity yan ah.
Dapat may ano, may ball ano doon. Para...
May stat tayo, may stat. Sige, wag nang iabot yung ball para abutin tayo ng 7 p.m. Okay, Zuniga service.
Parang singer.
Wow, Popet. Boobs. Okay. Okay, to salud. Wow! What a spike! Grabe.
Parang di ka po...
Fireball! Ten, 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 ten. Ten, 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 ten.
Parang iba yan.
Ilan na? 9:13 in favor of what team? Ay, warning na ba?
Zuniga Steve.
Zuniga. Nagkatitigan, pero okay, go. Oh, di go, last two na daw sila. Oh, Inyon, service. Pagod. Boobs! Oh, go Russell. Wow, nice one. Go Russell! Sayang naman. It's okay, Bulacan is still proud of you. Anong sunod? Next team, team 5 and team 2. Tama?
4.
Ay, sorry, team 4. Kaya mainis. Wow! Salud! Wow, Popeye was there. Grabe. Alfonso! Boobs. Wow! Sa east. Wow! Wow, grabe. Grabe na coverage.
Grabe.
Pepito. Bakit, Russell? Akala mo ikaw si Dead Pepito?
May usok pa.
Kaya nga may usok pa. Grabe, what a save. Nice one, nice one.
Last one.
Service. No, inside. Wow. Wow. Very kalmado. Oh, aatak yan. Oh. Russell, go! Pakita mo. Oh! He fell. He might win because he fell.
All warning.
All war.
Hala, all warnings. OMG. Inyon service. No time to rest. I'm sorry. Okay. Wow. Sige, go. Sino ba? Okay. Chill. Okay, nice up. Patayin mo TL. Wow! Match point for team 7.
Seven.
Ay, nakapaglaro sila.
Go Zuniga.
Service, Zuniga. Okay. Oh my God!
No goose.
There is no juice. Just orange juice. Walang juice. Wala naman time eh.
Pagod
Oh my
na.
God, re-receive. Very shaky yung receive.
Nino.
Ni Pile. Oh my God!